establishing shots are one of the most crucial aspects of filmmaking. These are not just any shots, these are your audience's first introduction to the world of your film. They set the tone, establish the setting, and get your viewers hooked right from the start. While mostly we are going to be leaning on image to video for video generations, prompt to video can be a game changer for creating broad, impactful establishing shots. Let's take a look at how this can happen. We are still on FreePick, and we are going to go back to Vyasa video prompt generator, not giving any feedback to ChatGPT, and I am going to tell it to create an aerial establishing shot of a Maratha Empire fort nestled in the Sahyadri mountains. Okay. All right, so it's given me a prompt, and I'm going to take it back to our FreePick suite, and we are going to use Google VO2 yet again. And let's check it out, what comes up. And we'll do 2 of them. Same prompt, 2 generations. So establishing shots are actually quite interesting. And I feel those will be the first shots to be used or made completely with AI. Why? Because when you want to shoot something with a drone, and let's be honest, most of the establishing shots today are all drone shots, you need a lot of permissions depending on where you're shooting. You might need the city's permission, you might need the archaeological department's permission to record a video of, say, a fort or a castle. You might not be allowed to fly a drone in certain areas, considering, if there's an Air Force base or maybe just an airport, and that limits you quite a bit as a filmmaker. And more often than not, you go to stock video websites like Shutterstock or Envato or any of those to get these establishing shots. But at the end of the day, they are just stock video. What AI video helps you achieve with respect to establishing shots is that you can match lighting and color, use reference images, like we saw before, use style reference. Maybe you've already shot your film. You have a color graded shot. Use that as a style reference and create the first image of an establishing shot. And yeah, you will be able to save a lot of man hours. And speaking of Chava, the example that we did earlier, I think one of my biggest complaints about the movie was that the establishing shots were not great. And I think that is the first place that AI is going to impact big time. Okay. So now let's take a look at the shots that we've made. Okay. Nice. We've gotten a pretty nice circular motion. I'm quite sure that these buildings did not exist back in the day, in the 1600s. So you would have to use a software like After Effects to just take those buildings out. And this is the second shot. All right, nice. This is better. But you see that there's some level of consistency between both those shots. Yes, the buildings are different. But in the end, if it's an establishing shot and I get this image, I use this as a image reference to create further iterations of the shot, then I'll keep getting this location. I could use different angles from here and some more level of post production to get to the shot that you actually want. But yeah, there you have it. Establishing shots that don't just start your film, but start it powerfully. With prompt to video, you have a tool that extends your vision beyond traditional boundaries. Use it wisely and watch as your words come to life with clarity, impact that captivates audiences from the first frame. Remember, how you introduce your world can define the entire viewing experience. Let's make it unforgettable.